Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Now I have another drawing for you of a fire truck. Now similar to my previous drawing of a racing car, when I have to draw a vehicle, I first start with the tires. It's like an anchor to a drawing. What I mean to say is, by drawing the tires, I get a hint of how big my drawing is going to be. Similarly, if it is a face that I end up drawing, I might start with the eyes just to see how big the picture is going to end up. If it's a flower, I'll start from the center of the flower and then draw the petals in each direction to see how big the flower is going to be. So over here I end up making just the tires and the basic outline of the firefighting truck. Now you can add as many details as you want. Over here I have just added the basic details. I mean, when I think of a fire truck, I imagine it to be divided into two parts. The front part usually happens to have the driver and the firefighters itself, and at the back I would imagine there is the equipment, may it be the ladder, may it be the water hose. So all those kind of details you can add or deduct as per your imagination. You can always take a reference of an actual firefighting truck. It would help you point down the exact details, I would say. So once I am done with the basic structure, I ended up drawing these windows, and again, as I mentioned, the small details for me makes the difference. I mean, the outline is there, yes, but the nails in the ladder or the doorknobs or how it's going to be, the small details make the difference. And I particularly like these dashes on the windows, you know, the glare that you get when your windows are across any kind of light. So the reflection that you get. So I do like the dashes. Just make sure all of the slashes that you make on the window are at one level, they are parallel to each other. So for the color, of course, you can choose your color. Ideally, when we think of a firefighting truck, obviously red comes to mind. Similarly, if it's an ambulance, you know, you have a mental picture like it's gonna be white, it would have a red cross on it. The letters of ambulance will be bold and clear, easy to read. Similarly, when we think of a firefighter, to me it comes just basic red in mind. So you can use your imagination. I mean, if kids are drawing, obviously they can make it even blue, why not? So just go with what you feel. I chose the basic colors. So for the ladder and for the bottom of the vehicle, I use the basic gray color. For the windows, if you see, I have tried to give it a bit of shading, if not so much. So all the sky blue color at the back of the windows, if you see, it is a little darker than the front. So I'm imagining that the light is getting reflected, and that's why there is two different intensities of the light blue shade there. Now that's about it. I just kept it very simple and just added the black to the tire. The yellow on the light above was already there, and just ended up with red. Again, if you want to give it much more of any kind of detail, you may add more texture. You can even have some sort of a logo or a banner. As I said, you can always take a reference of the real firefighting truck. But to me, this looks good. So I hope you like this video. For more such videos, please do like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.